In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an infinite mirror effect in Blender. In edit mode, let's remove the middle faces of the cube. If you don't see a teapot mesh in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Let's apply a reflective metallic material for the planes. There is our infinite mirror, but how come there are only 4 teapot reflections? I'll use the sky texture as the environment light. We can either increase or decrease the glossy value under light path to control how much reflections are in the mirror. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.